Good morning, my G's. How's it going? Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to... Is it Friday already? Is it really?
I thought it was Thursday.
What day is it?
Thursday.
Oh, it's Thursday. I nearly sang a Friday song then. It is Thursday. I'm a day ahead. Oh.
Hope not.
No, I was going to say that's good news then, Lee. Anyway, it's 10 to 10. We've been up a while. Sophie woke me up. Bad ear. Luckily, got her in at the doctor's, haven't I? So no, she's got a really bad ear.
Oh.
Woke her
Like
up.
mine?
Well, she reckons she feel it bubbling inside, so
That's what mine felt
maybe
like.
got ear infection. But yeah, the doctor's at 10:45, 10:45. Here she is. So yeah, we've all been in the walls this last 2 weeks. Not been right, have we, Lee? None of us. Anyway, up and about. I've got some vlogs to edit, but I need to hoover up first. And yeah, because we come down this morning to all this mess.
Was that Milo?
Yep. Milo came down in the night and decided to empty the bin bag and have a feast. Sat in his basket. Look, there's a bit of bread or something in there.
Okay.
That dog. I think this is the third day I've been in the car with you two. Got my hair could do with cutting. Yeah, Liam's coming along because he's off to the barber's. Mine could do with hair, but I'll wait a bit.
Will you be parked in case...
Well, I'm hoping to park at the doctor's. But if not, we will go and park in the factory shop. Okay?
Yeah.
But if I'm not there, you'll have to come into the doctor's because you won't be able to get into the car. Okay? So just come and sit in the doctor's surgery. In the waiting room. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm hoping we'll get parked in the doctor's, but you know what it's like, it's only a small car park, especially now they've put them mobile units there. Lucky to get in though, Soph, really, because there's been doctor strikes this week.
Do you think she's got burst eardrum?
I'm not sure, maybe an infection. I don't know. But we must find out shortly, guys. Oh, here comes the rain, is it? Or is that all mud?
Do you think that's why my legs felt funny last night? You know when I stood up?
Yeah, when you said you couldn't get warm and that. Because when you've got bad ears and you've got an infection, you know, any infection can make you feel like fluidified, if you know what I mean.
You know, like when I stood up, everything didn't feel real. Like, if it felt real. Like, everything just felt weird. Wasn't one of the COVIDs just like a flu?
Yeah.
Yeah, when I go, I'm probably end up going to sleep because I'm tired.
I bet Cleve's getting a haircut there, aren't you?
Yeah.
So he's nervous as usual. We're going to ask her about her results today as well while we're in there for a scan. Yeah, I think you've got an infection. I can't hear out this one. Yeah, we'll see if we got your results. Yeah? From your scan. You always get nervous with doctors, don't you? You're as bad as me, gal. Yeah, we couldn't get parked here. We've just missed the space, didn't we? So someone pulled in front of us.
So there was more parking.
There used to be, but they put them there. Here comes Liam. Look at him, he's happy now. He's had his haircut. Look at me, I'm Liam. Anyway, there's Shirley. She's got an ear infection. And the good news is, I asked about her results. Yeah, I asked about her results when she had that scan done on her liver and everything. And I mean, yeah, well, they did all your liver and kidneys and everything. They did it all. You got a discount?
It was 10 instead of like 11 or 12.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, no major problems. There's some kidney scarring from which we knew from when she was younger. So if you didn't know, she was premature. She had problems with her kidneys and yeah, so. But other than that, nothing to be concerned about, nothing to worry about. Ear infection, she's got to get some antibiotics, but we've got to wait till later when we receive a text. And Liam's had his hair cut, so he's happy. And he got a discount. What are you doing today, Tit? You're not going out today? You are? I think it's going to wane. You're doing some painting. What you got there then? Oh, Daddy have one of them. Alright, Shell. Just had some of these nuts, guys. These were from Aldi. The salt and vinegar, they are powerful, but you know what? I really like them. But then again, I like salt and vinegar stuff. But I mean, though, like, when you first put them in your mouth, you're like, wow. Are you helping Chloe now, then?
Mm-hmm.
What's that, a face?
Trying to be. I need that one now, because I want that to make me French.
Oh, you're doing Wednesday, are you? Oh, I look forward to seeing it, Liam. Your hair looks better, by the way.
Okay.
We normally get a text message from Boots to say when medication's ready. Not received one, and that doctor did say about an hour. Obviously, been a fair few hours now, nearly 4. So we're going to go down there and get them because she's still in bad pain, aren't you? So she comes on, pick it up. Chloe's gone out, I think. Lace is in a mood today. She hasn't been down yet. Well, she has this morning, but yeah. Clean the stuff up, have they? Right, come on, so let's go. Absolutely useless, Boots are. I just don't know why they don't send the prescriptions to the old chemist, Clover House. Because
why don't they?
Once upon a time, you got a prescription, didn't you? You come out the doctor's with a paper bit. You took it straight to the pharmacy, got your pills. Now they send it electronically, and they always send it to Boots, which never have stock in, or they take ages. An hour, she said. Safe's gone to get it. Oh, not going to be ready for another 15 minutes.
How long has it been? An hour?
Well, no, she said an hour. We talked like 4 hours ago since Soph went to the doctor's, isn't it?
Is it? No offence, but I need to hurry up because my ear really hurt.
Yeah, I know.
That's not offensive.
Anyway, we ran out of toilet roll as well, so while we're out waiting, thought we'd come to Aldi and get some toilet roll. Was it busy in there?
Not really.
The car park's busy. Then again, I reckon people just park here and go into town. Right, we'll make our way round there again and see if they're ready. Finally! You've got the... Well, that's a big bag,
There's
how
like
much?
chewing things in there.
We must have a good old infection going on there. Right,
You said keep
now we can go home, eh?
You said keep it in the fridge when you're not using it.
Okay. We've got hailstones again, guys, like yesterday. Woohoo! Rachel's lucky, she's just fetched a washing in. So some trees at the bottom of the garden, or them in the pots. I mean, they're not real anyway, but you know. Lovely British weather, isn't it? April showers. Mince and dumps for tea tomorrow, folks. But tonight, it's just a bit of a pick and mix tea. But, as I've said in previous times like this, kids enjoy it, so... Aye. Where's Chloe gone? Ah, okay. All right, girls, boys, you coughing again? Well, Rachel's told me not to vlog up here tonight. She said because it's a mess. We're having a big clean tomorrow, but she said she doesn't know how the upstairs gets in such a mess. I do, kids. Anyway, I'm going to end this one here. See you tomorrow for Friday. Don't know if all the kids are asleep or awake. Hey?
Never have them.
What?
Never have them.
All right. Night, love you. Soph went up to bed a while ago. So her ear kept leaking. Oh, still awake. Night, Soph. I'm going to have a little bath, I think. Night, Lace. Night, Ty. Nearly asleep. Love you, babe. I'll have a shower, not a bath. Quicker. Right, we'll see you tomorrow for Friday. Take care. Peace out.